Has your VW Discover Media unit failed like this one? Then check out our solution that we've done with an Alpine ILX 705. So it seems to be pretty standard that after a certain age, these Discover Media units just start to fail. Either the touchscreen starts to fail, so you lose all that functionality, or just various other bits start to go along the way. So this customer's one, their touchscreen started to go. Then I think like the USB started to fail, so they had to use the auxiliary, and then other bits and pieces gradually just started to pack up on it and weren't working. So our solution, especially with this car anyway, is an ILX 705, which is the 7-inch in-dash unit that gives you all the functionality you would normally need of, like radio and DAB and things like that, through to wireless CarPlay, wired Android Auto, and then it also is able to retain functionality such as parking sensors, if you had a factory reversing camera, all your steering wheel controls obviously, and all of that basically just brings you right back up to date from where this was sort of trying to be and then gradually failing. This then just does it all far better and far clearer. So let's just have a quick look at it, shall we? So as you can see, just sits in the dash using this fascia that is the same shape as the old unit. Sits in really nice and neatly and ties in nicely with the sort of soft touch style of plastic that's on the surround. It looks really, really smart. Then going from this main screen of the Alpine, you then go into radio, and that's where we've got DAB, and then we've obviously got FM as well. And station selection and station saving is done in a very similar way to which it's done on most radios. We can then go back. You've got your Bluetooth audio, or as you can see, I've got my phone connected up to Apple CarPlay, and then CarPlay just works the same way it would do for any other CarPlay, because the program is built into a phone, so it's no different to like a factory setup in a Porsche or a BMW or anything like that. It's just CarPlay. And then going through other features that the Alpine is then able to retain, things like parking sensors. So the parking system all still works. You just get Alpine's generic car symbol just so it works with all vehicles. But as you can see, we've got something very close to the front of the car, so the sensors have gone red. We've got something slightly further away, so they're just yellow. And it all just works as it would do. The same with if you had a factory camera, that would still work nicely with your parking system as is. Then obviously you've still got all your steering wheel controls. So we've got volume, obviously. We can then go into radio or track and change tracks that we're listening to. So there's no loss of functionality whatsoever. It's just a much nicer, newer unit to use, and gives you that option for wireless CarPlay and things like that. Also, looking at some of the bundles that we do on the website, you can add in HDMI, so you can have an HDMI port fitted somewhere, which gives you more functionality still, and even down to things like USB retention, which we've done in this vehicle back in the center console kind of armrest area, I suppose. It's under the flap in the middle there. We've been able to retain that factory USB, so that gives you charging obviously, and also a wired connection to your Apple CarPlay or your Android Auto. And then as the 705 and all of the new Halos, to be honest, new Alpine units, sorry, have two USBs that come out of the back of them, and so one of them is just run over to the glove box, and we just have a charging lead that's just sitting into here nice and neatly. So it's a good unit. It's very popular. We've fitted a lot of these and we've replaced a lot of the Discover Media units. So if you've got that same issue and you'd like to see what we can do for you, then please get into contact, fill out the contact form, let us know what it is you're looking for, and then we can go from there. And obviously once you've replaced that main unit and you've improved this main source, then world's your oyster from moving forwards for audio upgrades and things like that, because obviously this is going to be kicking out far better sound than the old unit. So then it just means opens up that gateway for much better sound in your car. So yes, if you're interested in that, please get in contact and keep checking out all the rest of the videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for watching.